In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on the Cloudflare dashboard. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow along closely to ensure everything is updated correctly. Let's walk through each step together so you can easily manage your account security with confidence. Let's start by navigating to the Cloudflare website and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the profile icon. It's situated at the top right corner of the screen. This little icon represents your user profile and acts as a gateway to various account settings. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on that. It'll be your next stop on the way to changing your password. By selecting Profile, you'll be redirected to a new section dedicated to your account information and preferences. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You're looking for a section labeled Authentication. Clicking on Authentication transports you to where the security settings of your account reside. This is where you can manage a variety of critical aspects, including changing your password, which we'll get to in just a moment. Now that you're on the Authentication page, you'll want to find the section or option for Change Password. This can usually be located among other security settings on the page, so go ahead and give it a click. This action prompts a new interface where you'll be able to input your old password as well as your new one. When you arrive at the password change interface, you'll see two fields, one for your old password and another for your new password. It's crucial to enter your current password accurately into the old password field to authenticate and confirm your identity. Once you've done that, move on to the new password field. Here, you'll create a new password that must be both strong and memorable. A good tip is to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance the security of your account. After both fields are filled out, double-check your entries to avoid any mistakes and ensure the new password meets any specific requirements outlined by Cloudflare. Once you're satisfied everything is in order, the final step is to click the Save button. This will apply your changes, officially updating your password. And with that, you're done. Your Cloudflare password has now been successfully changed, helping to keep your account secure. If you need any assistance beyond these instructions, Cloudflare's help resources are always a good place to turn. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to maintain a secure online presence by